Hi guys, it's Bethany. Today I have an unboxing for you. What? There's two? Yes, this is Rapunzel by Mandie Manzano. It is one of my favorite pieces of hers. Now, this is the current version that Diamond Art Club has in their store. It is a round. It is a 42 centimeter by 59 centimeter. This is one they had a long time ago, and I've had this in my stash. It's a 20 by 28 centimeter, and it is a square. Now, at some point in time, I noticed that there was a difference, and so I went and bought this one because I bought this one when I very first started the diamond painting hobby, and, well, I've learned a lot since then, and I still haven't done this one, but guess what? I'm actually going to start this one, so I figured I better unbox it, and I figured I better unbox them both. So let's go ahead and start with this little guy. Like I said, it is a square. It's a 20 by 28 centimeters. This is Rapunzel. It is Diamond Art Club by Mandie Manzano. So in here we have a toolkit. Very standard basic toolkit. To keep this video on the shorter side, I'm not going to go over some of the things like, hey, this is the toolkit. Actually, you know what? I'm going to, because then we can see over the years if there has been much of a difference. I don't even know if this is the standard or the new one in there. It's probably standard, so these are probably going to be very much the same. So we have some baggies in the toolkit. We have a clear boat. We have a pen, blue. It has a blue foam grip. Tweezers. And 2 heart waxes. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the diamonds in this. Like I said, it's square. Actually, you know what? Let's kind of open these both up at the same time so we can completely compare. So this is Rapunzel by Mandie Manzano, produced through Diamond Art Club. It is a round. The other one is definitely a square. Wow. Okay. This one is much bigger in size. This is the toolkit. Yep, it looks the same, don't it? That's because it pretty much is exactly the same. Bags, pen. This one has more bags than the other one does. There's probably more colors in this one than the other one too. Heart waxes, grip. Oh, and this one has a 4-placer. You know what? The other one I don't think had any other multi-placers in them. Or if it did, somehow I didn't get it in there, or somehow I missed it. Yeah, that one was missing the multi-placer. It does say on here that it has a multi-placer, so I think that one was just missing it for whatever reason. However, one thing I do notice is that there is only one multi-placer. In the newer kits, they usually now come with a 4 and a 7. So in these older kits, it's a little bit different. Also, this newer one, it has the piece in its protective sleeve, just like this other little one. But this one also comes with this sticker, whereas the small one, if you end up picking it up on eBay or finding it at a yard sale or finding it used or whatever, is probably not going to come with this. At least mine didn't. So you have this cute little sticker with a thumbnail of the image. It says Rapunzel by Mandie Manzano, diamond shape round. And this kit is a size 16.5 inches by 23.2 inches, or 42 centimeters by 59 centimeters. Let's go ahead and open this up. As I said, it comes in a protective sleeve. And I can feel that the diamonds are in here. Woohoo! That's so cute. I can't wait to do it. Okay, so besides the diamonds, it comes with step-by-step instructions. And this other sticker sheet. These are removable stickers for easy labeling during the kitting up process. This gives you a place to put the start date and end date. It has a picture of what the image is originally looking like. It gives you all your dimensions and measurements and all that fun stuff. As you can see, this is still a smaller canvas. It is, as I said, a 42 centimeter by 59 centimeter, whereas the other one's a 20 centimeter by 28 centimeter. Let's go ahead and look at that canvas. Oh, it's so small and cute. Oh my goodness. It's just like a little baby of the other one. Okay, this one, rolled up inside, is one of their older papers. And it says, visit our online store at diamondartclub.com. And these are the step-by-step instructions for diamond painting that came with that kit. Kind of cool. This little one is so small. There's no, oh my gosh, I don't think I've seen, this is the smallest one I've seen from Diamond Art Club. I can see why they started making them a little bit bigger, but the thing is I actually really like the smallness because of the portability and all of that. Let's go ahead and roll both of these backwards so that they'll lay flat faster so that I can compare them both a lot faster for you guys, hopefully. These will lay flat on their own because they're poured glue, but it will take some time. If you want to speed that process along, just go ahead and roll them backwards and then ta-da! Okay, so as you can see, this square one is a lot smaller than this round one. And based on just the coloring on the papers here, it's gonna look a lot different from each other. And I'm gonna do both of these. I'm gonna compare them and you'll be able to see what they look like. But as you can see on this one and on the other one, it has their logo and their name and logo at the top. This one, the smaller one, has a thumbnail of the image right here on the left-hand side. It gives the dimensions and information about the piece, and then you have your key, your color list here on the left-hand side, as well as on your right-hand side. And at the bottom of this one shows their social media information, as well as their lifetime warranty information. Now on this one, it's pretty much the same. The left hand, you have the color list. You have a thumbnail of the image down here at the bottom, and all the information on the piece down here. The bottom, you have social media information. The bottom right hand side of the canvas, you have the lifetime warranty information, and then you have the color list there as well. So mostly the differences I'm noticing in these, like, you have really good canvas and symbol quality, scallop serge edges on both. It is kind of different, interesting to look at the difference between these though. Like this one has, you can see, is a little bit rougher than this one. The thickness of the older canvas, or this canvas anyways, is a little bit thicker than this one. But they're both very sturdy. They both have the glittery backgrounds. They both have really good clear symbols. but they're definitely different sizes. And this one is not eager to lay flat because, well, because it's so small and has been wound up so tightly for so long. But as you can see, there's quite a difference in the sizes of the canvas. Let's go ahead and look at the drills. That's the last thing I'm going to show you. So these are the drills for the round canvas. I'm going to show you those first because there's more of them. This has 42 colors, whereas the square one has 25 colors. So quite a difference there. We have a 917, 550, such gorgeous colors. 740, 948, 780, 823, 947, 900, 3607, 3755, 915, 3855, 754, 321, 208, 400, 154, 3854, 3778, 758, 3608, 300, 209, 3325, 3609, 141. That's the AB. Actually, it looks like there's might be two of them in here. Anyways, so 141, this really pretty white AB. Specialty drill. 210, 775. And then we also have 3837, 327, 797, 2 bags of that. 798, 310. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310s. That's how we get those gorgeous outlines on the stained glass looking creation. 796, 2 bags of those. 728, 782. Boy, I'm surprised I didn't get those two mixed up with each other. 334, 820, there's 2 bags of those. There's a lot of blues in this kit. 718, 783, 333, and oh yeah, there is another AB. It's a pretty orange, 132. And I guess we need to keep that upside down so it'll lay flat. Because it really doesn't want to. So for the square one, oh, how interesting. We have a few rogue ones here. We have 799, 340, and 445. Oh. We have a big bag of 820 and 310. And then we have 333, 798, 797, 740, 741, 3837, 972, 3746, 444, 154, 3755, 3823, 208, 3609, 307, 3607, 963, 3865, 3841, and 3608. And as you may have noticed, no Aurora Borealis drills. All right. Well, I'm going to be working on this one fairly soon. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your long hair. Transport yourself into this classic tale by capturing our cascading moment of sparkle and shine. Drink in the majestic colors of the cosmos, set all aglow with Rapunzel's shimmering golden braid. Entwined with small fragrant flowers, her long hair cascades down while releasing the magical aroma of fantasy. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I will talk to you next time. Bye.